What's up guys, and welcome to another one of our videos. So the new iPad Pro that was just recently released is probably one of the most powerful tablets that's ever hit the market. It's well designed, it's fully spec'd out. It has an 812 Bionic chip. It has 64, 256, 512, or even a terabyte's worth of storage. It has an 11-inch liquid retina display. The rear camera is 12 megapixels and it can do 4K video. The front-facing camera is 7 megapixels and can do 1080p video. This thing is a monster, but it probably isn't the best tablet for you. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why. Now guys, if you're finding the channel for the first time, on this channel we focus on the three key things of technology: what it is, what it does, and is it worth your money? If you enjoy videos like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below the video. Also hit that bell for notifications so you know when we release a new video. And as always, please share your thoughts, comments, and any questions you have below this video as well. Now let's get started with the main topic. Now I can already hear all the Apple defenders out there typing all their angry comments down below the video. Please hold off on that. I'm a brand new channel. Go easy on me. I can use as many positive comments as possible. I'm not saying that the iPad is a bad device. I'm just saying that it's probably not the best tablet available for an average everyday tablet user. Now I currently use the iPad Pro that came out before the most recent one, and I have been looking forward to getting my hands on the brand new iPad Pro now, probably since Apple announced it at their event. And recently, within the past week, I was lucky enough to actually get my hands on one of those iPad Pros and use it for a little while. And what was awesome is it's everything that I thought it would be. As soon as I got the iPad Pro in my hand, it was built great. I was logging in, I was doing everything that I was doing on my iPad. It was fast, it was fluent, it was probably one of the most advanced pieces of technology I was able to hold in my hand, and I was extremely happy with the way it performed. But as time went on, I started to realize that what I was doing on the new iPad was exactly what I was doing on the old iPad. I am what you would call an average tablet user. Now, I work in technology and we use computers and we use laptops for more advanced things. I just use my tablet to do basic things like email, consume media on YouTube, surf the internet, visit social media sites, and do some basic note-taking with my Apple Pencil. So now the new iPad Pro did those things extremely well, but not to the level of exceeding my current iPad that would quantify me to really make the upgrade. And the more that I used the new iPad, the more it started to feel like my old iPad. Not in the way that it moved or in the way that it was built, but just in the way that the things that I were actually doing on it, it didn't seem to be any more productive than what I was doing on my old iPad on the new iPad. And what that did is it brought a stark realization for me that sometimes the newest tech is probably not the best tech for you. And I think a lot of people kind of get lost in that particular circumstance. The new iPad is probably for someone who's extremely advanced in their tablet use. And I'm going to say that the average tablet user probably doesn't need the latest and greatest iPad that's currently on the market. If you're doing normal tablet things on it, again, like surfing the internet, consuming your media through YouTube or any of the other media sharing sites, or just doing social media or email, the tablets that came out prior to the iPad are probably going to be a better option for you and are better priced for you as well. So they're offering a lot more value in how they're priced and what they can do in conjunction to the things that you normally do on your tablet. Now, when doing my research on the new iPad Pro, I watched a lot of YouTube videos, like I'm sure a lot of you guys do, and you saw a lot of YouTubers reviewing the tablet and praising it for its power and its ability to do so many advanced things. And I found myself going through the checklist of, well, yeah, I don't do that, I don't do that, I don't do that. So it's just a checklist of things that an advanced tablet user like those guys will probably do that I don't do on my tablet. I use my tablet for really basic things. You know, again, not editing 4K video on my tablet. I don't know how many people do edit 4K video on your tablet. And if you are one of them, then this probably is way over your head and you should probably go out and buy the new iPad Pro, because I heard it's really good at editing 4K video on that tablet. But for all the other people in the world that aren't editing 4K video on their tablet, the older iPads are probably a better bet, and also more convenient and also more affordable for you. I'm always of the school that technology should conform to your use and not the other way around. You shouldn't have to elevate or adjust your use to conform to technology. You should buy technology that conforms to everything that you want to do with it. I'm in the camp of, if it ain't broke, you shouldn't really fix it. So the idea of upgrading just to upgrade, that doesn't work for me. So the new iPad Pro, again, offers so much, and it's so much that I won't use. So personally, I'm choosing not to upgrade this time around. So I'm going to quickly give my 2 cents. And this video is, again, really dedicated to those average tablet users who either have last year's iPad, the 6th generation one, or last year's iPad Pro, the 10.5 inch that I have, or who are considering getting a tablet for the first time or upgrading from a really older tablet. My 2 cents would be to do the research. Make a list of what you think you do on your tablet, and take that list and throw it out. Now make a list of what you actually do on your tablet and compare that to the older iPads and see if they meet your needs. It doesn't take a lot to surf the internet. It doesn't take a lot to watch YouTube videos. If you're playing really graphically intensive games, the older iPads may be able to support that, but you may want to go for the newer iPads. But if you're doing a really basic thing on your tablet and you're not really going above and beyond and pushing it to its limits, then you can probably find a comfortable zone within the 6th generation iPad or last year's iPad Pro, and you don't have to upgrade to the latest and greatest, and you can end up saving yourself some money. Maybe buy yourself some accessories like the Apple Pencil or a really nice case, or maybe the keyboard, something that will add to your tablet experience. So again, the brand new iPad Pro is the best tablet that's available on the market, but it may not be the best tablet for you. Decide if the technology fits everything you want to do with it, and then you can make your purchase. Now that's going to do it for our video today, guys. I want you to share your thoughts and comments in the comment section down below. Again, please be gentle. I am still an Apple fan. I love the iPad that I have. I just don't see a reason to upgrade to the latest and greatest one. But if you do have a reason, share those in the comment section down below. Share any thoughts and questions you have in the comment section as well. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. And as always, until next time, peace out.